2.25. Hopefully these clouds stay. I live in the desert, so it's humid here to me. Here. Hill out here, only 2.5 miles in. Down there was the start. .45 in the morning. 1/4 miles. I only got the 16-minute pace. SoCal Coyotes. Allison back there.
Hi.
Yeah, there.
Thank you.
There. 490. Almost 4 miles in. 7 a.m. There she is still.
Hello. How are you doing?
Good. Yeah, 5 miles. Number 16. How far are you going today?
50 miles.
All right. That's where I'm heading. I'm hoping it stays cloudy. 7 miles. 145. Going down that, I believe. 15K in. We were up there. Down. Imagine going down this valley. 1406 pace. Cool. What these are. Kind of cool trees. Cool. Almost 10 miles in.